Alrighty, so in this video, I'm just going to do a refresh on how to upload all the media into HAR. And so let's get it going. Okay, so whenever you get your media, this is what the email looks like. Make sure that you have our email not marked as spam so that you receive it. So it says here, hi, great news, your media is complete. And so there are different links that you can click on. The main one that you're going to want to click on is the download media link, which whenever you scroll down is this one. This one is a link to a YouTube video explaining a little bit more of how to use the marketing kit. And this one, it's our Google review. And here you can see a few extra links that are already on for the listing video, the branded property site link, unbranded property site link for you to add to HAR MLS. And then this link is for you to share it with your clients. So you can forward them this link. You just copy it, send it to them via text message or through email. You can also get the mobile app. You can share on social media. Your referral code, this one's super important for you. If you are super happy with our services, you can receive $100 for your next order if somebody that you refer is with us. And then to access this media and all of your other media, this is the login link. Okay, so let's go back to that main one, download media link up here. So there's the copyright licensing rights that we have here. At the top, if you have a listing video, if you have a 3D tour, that will be up here. If not, you'll go straight to download all the photos. And this is where you will see all of the photos. If you keep scrolling down, you will see the floor plans. We always scan floor plans. This one is a premium floor plan. You can see it has all the little details in the house, but we always have a floor plan in there. And then in this case, we had a marketing kit. And so that one is ready to rumble. Let's show you how to download the photos. So whenever you click on that download media link, we will come over here, download all photos, original or MLS. I think they're both the same size. It's okay if you click whichever one of these. I'll click MLS just to be super sure. And I want to download all of them. If you actually don't want to download all of them and you're like, oh, I just want this one, I want this one that shows a front entry. If you just want several photos, you just select them and then you can download selected photos there. For now, I'm going to download all of the photos. You can tell it is getting them downloaded now. Let's wait a second. Okay, and as you can tell here, it's gonna zip them up. So I have an Apple computer, but if you have a Microsoft computer, you just click on the file folder, the location. Let me bring it over here. Let me minimize this so we could see it over here. And you'll see the file folder like this. You're gonna have to right click and then for Microsoft, you put extract. For these computers, double click. And so now we look at them. In here is the floor plan. They are in JPEG. And then this one is the folder with all of the media. Okay. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to HAR. So whenever you are in your HAR folder or HAR login account, what we do is we are able to access matrix MLS. And so that is how we do it. Let's say read later to all of these announcements. We are going to add or edit to the matrix. We're going to do a quick little modification. If you're adding a brand new listing, I guess this is where you would go into it. We're just going to modify it quickly because our client already has the media live. Or she doesn't have the media live, but she has the existing MLS number. If you want us to upload the photos for you, all we need is the MLS number. We go in and you can see we are going to have different options here. Manage tours links. I'll show you how to do that. manage photos, manage attachments, the AI descriptions, which is pretty description, photo description. Make sure you're utilizing that. So let's go to manage photos. They are already uploaded into the MLS, but let's pretend they're not. So we'll go to browse and then you'll go to your downloads folder or wherever they're at. You open the folder. Remember, we are uploading the images and then just make sure they are in order. I'm going to put sort by name. And whenever you put sort by name, it'll do them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how they were downloaded. This is important because then it's a big hassle to have to drag them around over here. And so you select them all, click open, and they will upload. So my huge recommendation is put the first 5 best photos in the front. So maybe it might be that virtual twilight as the primary slot to catch the attention. And then if the living room is the other best shot, oh my gosh, add that because it has huge windows. If the kitchen is an incredible kitchen, just put the 5 best photos. Maybe put a drone photo showing off the location as one of those 5. That's going to be very important. And what I am going to add here is I'm going to add the floor plan because there's all sorts of people that might not click on that extra button over here where it says to check out the floor plan, manage attachments. So it's nice to also include it in the photos. Now manage tours links. In this case, we had a video like you saw in the original email. And also I'm going to show you the 2 places to get these links. In the email, we have the listing video and we have the property site link. We want people to go click on this. It has to be unbranded for the MLS. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it right here. There's a spot for property listing website. Okay. And then if you have an interactive floor plan or a virtual tour like the 3D tours, that is where you add the links as well. Okay. You want to add as much as possible so that people can watch it, so that people can click on as many things as possible. Okay, so now let's go back. Let me see. Let's go back to the list. Where's my number? Okay, another thing to add here is manage attachments, and this is where we can select the floor plan as well. For this, it only allows you to add it as like a PDF or a PNG. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch it very quickly to, I'm gonna make it into a PDF or a PNG. So let me do that really quickly on my downloads. That's the really cool thing about some of these documents, that you can just change them up super easily. You can either do this on Canva or in this computer, I can export it as a PNG. Okay, save it. And now there it is. Let me put right here, this is gonna be the floor plan. And then I'm gonna upload it. Oh, I didn't choose it. I am going to upload the file. Let me put floor plan, save, and now it's ready to go. Alrighty, so that is how you add the different types of media onto your MLS. And so right here, if you have the Platinum AI, make sure to add the property description, the photo descriptions for each photo. It's so important. It's a little detail, but it's important that you add it to each one. So you can either get Platinum AI and it'll generate all of the descriptions and then you can go and tweak them, or you can do it just really quickly, describe each room. If you don't want to be like too creative, at least put what the room name is. That is going to be super, super essential. We are here to help you, to guide you. So if this video you're like, I still don't understand, please message us to our email or to our phone number. It's going to be right here on the screen so that you can check it out. We want to help you. We want to guide you. We want for your listing to stand out above the rest. There's thousands of listings coming live every week on HAR, and we want yours to be the one that stands out. So let's do this.